Assalamu alaikum students, I am Noreen Abbasi and the topic is Tundra. Chapter is too long, so I just stopped there and I am telling you the meaning of exploitation, the improper use of something for selfish purpose. The only animal life found in the Antarctic are the penguins on the shores and a variety of seals in the coastal waters. Penguins in the Antarctic region. Here is the picture of penguins. What does the fact that there is soil and coal deep below the ice in the Antarctic tell you about the earth in past? Remember how these things were created. What do you think might cause people to try to get at these fuels? What problems would there be in drilling for oil or coal, especially in these inhospitable regions? Next topic is equatorial climate. The earth from about 12 degrees north and south of equator at normal altitudes, that is not on mountain tops, has an equatorial climate, hot, wet and sticky. The average temperature all over the year round is 28 degree to 32 degree centigrade and the rainfall 1500 to 10,000 millimeter a year. Most of the time there is heavy cloud cover and violent thunderstorms occur about 200 days a year. Equatorial climate, I am explaining that. Equatorial climate is climate along the equator. Equator is the imaginary line running across the earth. This climate is also called the rainforest climate because there are mostly rainforest along the equator. Next page number 22. As you might expect, with all of the heat and moisture, the land is naturally covered with dense vegetation, especially forest. The soil itself is not particularly fertile as much of the goodness is washed out by the constant rain. The huge trees average height 45 to 50 meters generally have long straight trunks with a cloud branches and leaves at the very tops, the canopy. And what is the meaning of canopy? A high cover providing shelter. A high cover providing shelter. This canopy is so dense and the trees so close together that on the floor of the forest below it is twilight. And twilight, the soft light in the sky seen before rising and especially after the setting of the sun. Even at midday, the rain, the main nourishment is the layer of rotting leaves on the forest floor so that the trees have very shallow roots near the surface. The trunks are so tall and heavy that they are very unstable and many of the forest trees have buttressed roots to support them. And what is the meaning of buttress? The roots that help stabilize are very thick and the example of buttress is mangrove trees. Huge creepers with stems up to 60 centimeter in diameter crawl up the tree trunks to get to the light in the canopy where 70% of the animals, especially monkeys and birds, live. Below in the gloom in darkness. Are snakes, lizards and insects, while in the less dense forest, tiger and other carnivorous animals are found. Some strange flowers are also found in the forest below the canopy. Many of them parasite, getting their food by boring into another plant or from rotting vegetation. A rather strange feature is that flowers and fruit often grow straight out of the main trunk. Very few people live in equatorial forest, and those that do often live very simple lives, mainly hunting and fishing without any farming. In the Amazon rainforest, there are still unknown tribes, just as there are hundreds of kinds of plants and animals as yet unknown to scientists. This is not surprising, as the Amazon forest covers 5.2 million square kilometers. The total area of the whole Indo-Pak subcontinent is 4 million square kilometers. And the Amazon forest in the world, it covers 5.5 million square kilometers. Yet equatorial forests can be very rich economically, where the trees have been cut down and plantations of rubber, coffee, cacao, sugarcane, oil palms, mangoes and other tropical fruit are grown. What is cacao? A tree. This tree seed the cacao beans. The forests themselves have trees which produce quinine. And what is quinine? Quinine is a drug made from the bark of cinchona tree, the first drug to treat malaria effectively. Scientists are hoping that there may be cures for other diseases, especially cancer, remain hidden. Lurking means remain hidden. In unknown plants in the forest, perhaps of less importance but more widely used in the chicle, which gives a substance that is the chief ingredient of chewing gum. And chicle, this is just like the gum. Gum-like substance. The timber of equatorial forest is very valuable for furniture. Mahogany, teak and ebony, these are the trees, and mahogany tree is red in color. These are used in furniture. And the ebony tree are deep dark color, and teak is yellowish brown color tree. Are among the most expensive woods in the world, but other hardwoods from the jungle are being widely used as the more precious ones are becoming more and more difficult to get. The valuable timber is creating very difficult problems, especially in South America, where robbers cut down tens of thousands of hectares of forest every year and get away with the timber before the few police can find them in such a vast area. It is estimated that more than 500,000 square kilometers of the Amazon rainforest have already been cut down, 1/10 of the total area. This worries scientists because apart from the as yet unknown species of plants which might grow there, this forest alone supplies about half the oxygen in the world's atmosphere on which all life depends. Thank you so much.